In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Wrike. Whether you're tidying up old project discussions or removing redundant notes, managing your comments is straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to log into your Wrike account. Navigate to the Wrike homepage and there you will see the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. This will take you to the login page. Here, you have a variety of different login options, but for our tutorial, we'll focus on using Google. So go ahead and click on the Google icon. You might be prompted to choose from a list of Google accounts. If you have multiple accounts associated with your browser, select the account linked to your Wrike workspace and you'll be automatically logged in. Once logged in, find your way to the specific task where the comment you want to delete resides. You'll typically find tasks organized in folders or projects, so navigate through your workspace until you reach the correct task. You can usually follow the task link from your email if you're notified of activities or search within the Wrike interface. When you have the task open, scroll down a bit until you can see the comment section. The comments array below the task details might be a lively exchange of thoughts and ideas all collaborators have shared. Viewing them helps ensure you're about to delete the correct comment amidst similar ones. Next, locate the specific comment you intend to remove. To do this, hover over the comment. You should see a trash can icon appear above the comment. This icon represents the delete option, so go ahead and click on it. It's a quick action that will prompt further confirmation to ensure you're deliberate in your decision. After you click the trash can icon, a confirmation window will appear on your screen. This window asks if you're sure you want to delete the comment. Be sure to double check the comment content while in this window. If you've confirmed that this is indeed the comment you'd like to delete, click delete on the window. Your comment will then disappear from the task, cleaning up the conversation for everyone involved. And there you have it. Deleting comments in Wrike is that simple and can be done in just a few moments. Remember, keeping your communication channels clear and organized can significantly enhance your project's efficiency. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on getting the most out of Wrike.